Let's start by adding the customer. Simply click on the Select button. As soon as you click the Select button, a pop-up appears showing all the customers you already have in your CRM. If you've run multiple scenarios for a customer, you can see the history by clicking on that customer. It will show all the previous scenarios that were run for that customer. To add a new customer, just click the plus icon. Enter the customer information like name, email, and phone number, then hit Save. This customer information will be saved in your CRM as well. Acknowledge the confirmation that your customer's information is securely saved. Enter the customer FICO score. You'll also see checkboxes like first-time homebuyer and DPA. If your customer falls into any of these categories, just check the appropriate box. Now let's fill in the loan information. First, select the category type. Next, select the product type that applies to your loan. Choose the loan term and amortization period based on your borrower's needs. Select the loan purpose, whether it's a purchase or a refinance. Enter the loan price and LTV. Once you add the LTV, the system will automatically calculate the loan amount. Now let's fill in the property information. First, select the occupancy type for the property. Next, select the legal structure, for example, SFR, condo, or any other option that applies. Select the number of units, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Choose the property type. If the property is manufactured, select Yes. If not, select No. If you have an identifier, enter it. If not, let it remain as 0. Don't remove the 0. Enter the property zip code. As soon as you enter the zip code, the system will automatically pull the state, county, loan limit, and property tax. If you think the property tax value is not accurate, don't worry, you can customize it later. Just hit search to get all the pricing for your scenario. Now let's go over some of the options available here. The first option is the New button. This will simply delete all the data you entered and open a new page, so you can run a fresh scenario. The second option is the Open button. This will open your CRM customer list, allowing you to select an existing customer and view their saved scenarios. The next option is Save. This will just save your current scenario. The next option is Save as New. It basically saves the scenario as a new scenario. The next option is Request It. This feature is used when you don't want to run the scenario yourself, but instead want to send it to your partners. When you click Request It, all the approved partners from your CRM will appear in a list. You can either select a particular lender or choose all partners, then hit Continue. The system will automatically generate an email with your scenario details, so you can easily send it to them. That's it. These options make it easy to open, save, refresh, or share your scenarios directly with your partners.